Hello everyone, good morning. Today we want to talk about Module 2, Volatility-Based Quantitative Analysis. As you can see from here, we shall start our PowerPoint now, and I'll introduce you to the steps in conducting a proper quantitative analysis. So let's go to our PowerPoint. First step is to look at the sources of data. To get a good quantitative model, having the right data is very important. So the steps to create good data is, first of all, you must get it from a reliable source. So the sources I use are reliable US brokers for US stock data and reliable Malaysian brokers for reliable Malaysian stock data. So I give you an example. This is extracting US stock price from a reliable US broker called TradeStation. You can extract from their data log, and from there you can actually export the data into Microsoft Excel file, and from there you can actually clean the data and prepare the data for statistical analysis. So first step is you have to get first level difference for the data so that the data is ready for analysis. So the question is, how do we get first level difference? The way is to create a log return of the price of today divided by the price of yesterday times 100. So you can see from here, this is how we get the log return of data, and that will make the data stationary, or what we call first level difference. And when the data is so, this is the row of data after first level differencing them to import into quantitative modeling software so that you can create a good quantitative model. So this is a very important step that we must do, and all of you must remember that if you don't do this step, the statistical model that came out will be spurious, or what we call inaccurate, because we have not actually made the data stationary. So this step of data cleaning and preparation is essential for us to get a good model. And how to do that is you can actually open up your statistical analysis and then import the data into the statistical software once data has been cleaned and prepared. And then you can collect all the right data before you can actually make a good model. So you can also import the data into eView and save as foreign file, and then load the data out in eView. As you can see from here, the data is already first level log return, so that we can actually use the data for good analysis. So you can see before preparing the data to be stationary, this is the original public bank share price, and then after we have done the necessary preparation, the data of public bank, the daily share price now becomes stationary. You can see the two charts are very different. This is before the becoming stationary, this is after becoming stationary. It's very important to make the data stationary. And if this is a log return, this is the first level difference. The difference is not much. Okay, so once it's done, you can actually make the data, collect and put all into your eView software. Okay, and from there you can actually generate data analytics. Okay, and you can check for correlation between Malaysian stocks and see whether there are any correlation. This is the step in doing this, is to search for inputs to create a good statistical model to predict public bank shares next week's price. Okay, so that is the module 1. Okay, on the source of data using market price data. Okay, second step, we are going to look at market breadth data. Okay, so you will look for your next video clip, then we will start explaining how to get and what is market breadth data. Thank you very much.